I'm missing the first one, but you're going to see the other ones. So come up with a realistic image of a scene that depicts what it's like to close the gaps, exist while on a train that's approaching that gap. A startup. We'll show that in a minute. Continue moving. Can you come up with another scene for a startup? Founders assembling airplanes as it's being launched into the sky. So got it. Not bad. But it wasn't quite what I was going for. So I said, come up with a scene that depicts the Wright brothers. And they're trying to put it together before the flight. So we can see that. There they are assembling. And we come down here, not quite, as it's lifting off. And again, crappy. It doesn't look like it as it's lifting off. So tried to change it up. I want this to be make-believe and action-packed. There we go. So there's the brother trying to put it on. It's clearly flying and working on it as it goes. Nailed it. Come up with another outrageous startup scene and tell me why it's funny. I love asking it to do something and then tell me why it's funny. So you can see here we have rockets, we have plans, it's a mess, things everywhere. So it tells me why it's funny. Rocket science, chaotic preparation, mismatched tools, all things, right? And come up with another funny one. Here we're making the cake. Look at all the eggs. It's a complete mess in an office cubicle. Startup scene. Out of place activity, a giant cake, founder appearances. Come up with another one for energy transition. So you can see they're pedaling. We have a bunch of power cables going to plants and all solar panels, all kinds of stuff. Looks like energy transition. And let's go with another one. So I was actually comparing Energy Acres, SpaceX, innovation, startup, and it kind of jammed all those together. And we can see, there we are. And for good measure, can you give me another one?